Hey guys, welcome back to Magnificent Creation. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss it. So without further intro, let's get into today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made these beautiful tiny roses. They all look super cute. And these are multi-purpose flowers. You can use these flowers for multi-decorations. So let's begin. To make this flower, we'll be needing glue gun, scissor and foam sheets. You can choose any color you want. Then I have cut 3 square pieces of foam sheet. Now let's prepare a flower template. Take a 5 cm square piece, fold it diagonally. Now fold this triangle exactly in half. Then bring both the ends, right end and left end of the triangle towards the center. You should have an arrow mark like this. With the help of scissor, cut at the top. You should cut the folded paper in round shape. Once you've completed, you should have a flower shape like this. This is going to be our template. Now place your template on top of the foam sheet, and with the help of scissor, you can cut around it. If you find this difficult, you can keep the template and trace it out with any sharp object, and then you can cut it out. But if you're going to follow the method which I am following, make sure you're not moving around your template, because you might end up with different shapes. All the 3 pieces should be exactly similar to each other. Repeat the same step for the remaining 2 pieces as well. As you can see, I have traced out with a sharp object and then I am cutting over it. I find this very easy, so I suggest you to follow this method. For each flower, you'll be needing these kind of 3 pieces. Now cut half a centimeter around the flower. You should repeat the same step for remaining 2 pieces as well. Let's move towards the pasting. Apply some glue for one petal and paste that petal with the opposite petal. You are going to repeat the same steps for the remaining petals. After you apply hot glue, you need to hold for a while so that it sticks properly. Now apply some glue for the first piece and paste it at the center of the second piece. For the second layer, I am applying the glue and pasting each petals on top of one another. Now apply some glue and paste at the center of the last layer, and repeat the same step which we followed for the second layer. This is the end result which I've been ended up with. I really liked how it turned out. It looks really cute. These flowers last long since they are made up of foam sheets, so you can use these flowers for outdoor decorations also. Do try to make these flowers, and if you do, don't forget to share all your images with me. All my social media links are in the description box below. And the list of materials which I've used for this project is also in description box below, so make sure you're checking it out. I hope you enjoyed this activity. If you like this video, share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe now and click the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And comment down below what you want me to do in the upcoming videos. Catch you guys in next video. Take care.